Hey there, Legends of Making. I'm Ison.
And Cune. Let's shine!
One of the most spectacular forms of Yakut national sport, arm wrestling, is gaining immense popularity worldwide. It is the only combat sport in the world where opponents do not make physical contact with each other. Numerous countries have established associations to promote arm wrestling. At the 8th Children of Asia Games, 19 teams are represented, including India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Mongolia, and other countries. The competitions are being held according to the current rules of the International Arm Wrestling Federation. On the first day of the competitions, champions and medalists in the 50 kilograms and 60 kilograms weight categories were already determined. In the final bouts, Yakut athletes, the originators of mass wrestling, particularly distinguished themselves.
9 countries, 14 teams and 88 athletes have entered the competition for medals at the 2024 Taekwondo Games. One of the principles of Taekwondo is perseverance. It was precisely this quality that brought gold to Behrouz Salimov from Uzbekistan. It is the final match. Behrouz Salimov triumphed over his opponent from Azerbaijan with a score of 2-0. The women's competition is equally intense. Samira Mukshana, who secured gold for the Moscow team, admits that Taekwondo has shaped her into who she is today, as it is not only a martial art, but also a philosophy.
13 teams comprising 127 athletes from various regions of Russia and 8 other countries are participating in the swimming competition. A total of 58 sets of medals are up for grabs. Over the course of 3 days, athletes will compete in individual and team events across styles such as butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, freestyle, and medley. Distances will range from 50 to 1,500 meters. Among the participants are those making their debut at the Children of Asia Games, including the Palestinian team. The head coach of the Palestinian swimmers has praised the high level of organization and execution of the event, noting that his athletes have improved their initial times. This year, a new event has been added to the swimming competition, the Friendship Relay. Teams will be formed with each member swimming one of the 4 strokes.
Table tennis players from 9 countries are competing for medals at the Children of Asia Games. Teams from Palestine, Azerbaijan, Syria, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Belarus, Laos, and China have all entered the competition. This sport is particularly popular in the Asian continent, where Chinese athletes are considered world leaders. According to coach of the Chinese team, tens of millions of people play table tennis in China, where it is regarded as a national sport. Under modern international rules, each game is played to 11 points. Athletes will compete for 5 sets of medals in singles, doubles, and mixed doubles events.
A masterclass in Greco-Roman wrestling was held at the Olympic Reserve School. It was conducted by Mingyan Simonov, an honored master of sports of Russia, bronze medalist at the London Olympics, and hero of Kalmykia. The decorated wrestler shared the intricacies of the sport and the secrets of grappling on the mat that they have led to his international successes. About 50 young wrestlers from the Olympic Reserve School participated in the master class. Each of them learned new techniques that they will be able to showcase at upcoming competitions.
Take care, athletes.
See you at the next event.